Can humans trust animals in their most critical moments? The answer is yes, because they can sense danger in just a few seconds and react swiftly. Join WOWTV for 20 minutes to see how animals become heroes in the blink of an eye. Be careful when you live near the forest, but for the courage of a dog, the woman would have been badly charged by the moose. The police couldn't be present in all situations, but the dogs could. Luckily, he had 2 boxer dogs ready to confront the bad guy. It was a typical night when she was awake and the dog was sound asleep until its intuition helped her avoid the 6.2 magnitude earthquake in time. No one can hurt its owner. The best loyal animal in the world. They will protect you unconditionally. The pain of one member was the pain of the whole monkey troop. As long as the baby monkey hadn't been saved from the narrow rock, they refused to leave. The man fainted suddenly and was rushed to the hospital. What was remarkable was that the dog persisted in chasing after the ambulance to the end. And that touched the hearts of many. The gas leak in Washington left many worried about neighborhood safety. A dog named Kobe recently raised suspicion by constantly digging holes in front of his house. His owners used a gas leak detector to check and found alarmingly high gas levels. Thanks to that, everyone was safe, and Kobe was hailed as a hero of the neighborhood. Dragging her out of the path was how the dog saved its human friend from an out-of-control car. The vicious giant rushed to the little boy and everyone's concern. Immediately, it was pushed back by a devoted guard who exerted all efforts to protect the kid. The street brawl caught the attention of a pack of stray dogs. Despite not being nurtured and cared for, their peace-loving spirit was commendable. The little helpers don't only exist in fairy tales. Check your CCTV. You might discover a kind mouse quietly helping you tidy up everything. Amidst different species, love and sharing still exist. Charger smoking, the smart dog sensed danger and found a solution before things got worse. Never touch a cat's best friend, even if it's an aggressive coyote. This isn't a story about a brave animal rushing into danger to save someone's life, but Sammy the chicken surely helped Dave overcome the pain of losing his best friend.
When he died, it's just, how do you find that perfect match again?
Sammy would undoubtedly bring happiness to him, just like a dog would. Many passengers underestimated the risk of sticking their feet out while the train was moving. To encourage this hardworking baby, everybody, let's give the elephant a thumbs up. The kind dog suddenly turned into a great rescue worker when he saved the chicken stuck in the snow. The cobra slowly approached the two women. Don't worry, it was captured. Walking at night made the guy a target for the criminals. But their plan was shattered by the formidable guard in the blink of an eye. A routine trip to the supermarket suddenly turned into an emergency when Amber had a seizure. The dog barked to attract attention, but only one person recognized the situation. Its alertness and timely assistance from the staff helped Amber escape danger. The difference between naughty and well-behaved children. Look at the white dog. I realized that pets could also be that sweet. The people in India were too familiar. While its fellows were evacuated from the fire, a horse rushed in to look for its family. Only when it saw them safe, it was relieved to leave. If you encounter this scene on the street, it's best to steer clear, because this goose squad will deal with anyone who dares to approach their beloved grandma. The lives of the blind become easier with guide dogs by their side. After ensuring all vehicles had stopped, the dog continued to lead its owner across the street. In every situation, the loyal dog always stands by its owner. Because of his unusual fur color, the piglet was not accepted by his kind. He found the geese, and miraculously, this different species protected him from the bullies.
Get this? Hi. Bowie. Bowie, put you back, buddy. Come uphill.
Thieves often lurk and wait for when homeowners are away to commit crimes. They were confident in their plans until they saw the fierce guardian of the house. Any mama can sacrifice herself for her child. And animals are no exception. This dog was ready to cross the flood just to bring her child to safety. Smoking not only affects health, but can also pose a significant risk of fire. Like a firefighter, the dog quickly assessed the situation and found a solution. Nightmares came to the divers. At the same time, a whale appeared, protecting them from the shark and when animals take charge, you can expect lots of surprises. WOWTV's got videos of animals in all sorts of emotional situations. Are you okay? Let's start right away. At a beetle farm, a lost elephant suddenly appeared. Thanks to a quick detection, the farmer managed to escape from the angry creature. An idiotic zoo visitor jumped over a fence to taunt an orangutan. The nightmare began when the furious orangutan became agitated. Consider this a warning if you decide to go to sea on an inflatable boat. All they need to do is speed up and get away from here immediately. Two lions caused chaos when they suddenly leapt out of an enclosed fence. They were captured after 15 minutes with no injuries reported. Don't get too close to bison. They could get mad at any time. A crazy scene was caught on CCTV as a rabid fox tried to approach a woman. It only left her alone when the neighbor ran over with a whip in hand. Shh, don't move, or the cheetah's gonna notice, and that's when things will go wrong.
Jimmy, you're good. You're good.
Once a well-behaved dog, Palgang suddenly became aggressive. Due to frequently being scolded, he exhibited rebellious behavior. Then, he had to join an organized training program to be a good boy again. When you're at level 1 and live in Australia. And here's at level 2. The bar was a place for us to unwind after a day's work. But the horse just ruined it. Hey, don't tease me, or my mom will go bananas. Despite the lifeguard's warnings, many tourists still swam where sea lions lived. This made the animals unhappy and determined to act. The energy of these animals is truly amazing, isn't it?
Hey.
They seem to never sit still.